Categories of research, AML work can be also in category of AI. Is it true?
Machine learning, definitely we can consider a subset of artificial intelligence. Actually, definitely machine learning is in fact their major class is artificial intelligence. I can just say that. Okay, machine learning, it has also some subclasses. We can have supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. In that, again, there are many other categories. We have artificial neural network. So machine learning, definitely we can treat it as a part of artificial intelligence.